Move.
Where's he at, Main and Lemon? Keep going?
Hey, police department, got to talk to you about the damage you just did. Got to talk to you. All right, he's walking toward Main Lemon. I'm just walking with him. He's refusing to halt. Dude, you're detained. You can't just walk away.
I bet you're on fast enough.
Dude, we got a bunch of... All right, going to be in a foot pursuit, southbound. Southbound North Lemon.
Southbound North Lemon, foot pursuit.
He's reaching into his backpack. We're going in the alley. Assault on Leo. Put your hands behind your back. On the ground now. Put your hands behind your back now.
Assault on Leo, you're not going to hurt me.
Yeah, just try to hurt me.
Oh, I tried to hurt you?
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, they're
Thank you.
I
appreciate you. Alright, I got one male detained.
One God.
Half of a block.
And you're dead.
South of Main on Lemon.
I am God. You know that, right? See, look, you're scared like you
1.5 blocks.
I'm not scared of you. I'm gonna wait for another unit, buddy. Stand up, please. Have you heard it all?
1228 advice you're in an alley.
Yep, 10-4 behind 1488 Main Street. Stand up. Stand up.
1488 Main Street.
Dude, stand up. Stand up.
little pussy.
Stand up.
Get up, man. Stop dragging your weight. Knock it off. Just walk. That's right. Look at me. Nice.
Stand up. Why are you trying to... Are you okay, Jeff?
Are you okay?
Stop, dude. Why are you trying to wrap him up?
People, get it on camera.
Why are you trying to wrap him up?
You're going to pay for it. It's going to take 10.
We'll be 10-7-4. Okay, you're bleeding, just so you know.
Oh, you're bleeding.
Oh, sorry.
Am I bleeding? You
No, not you, me.
If you didn't have that boy, every one of you would be done.
Why are you acting the way you are? I
Now
just had to
you
talk
want
to you. You're breaking.
Now you want to be able to cut. Equipment. I punched sign over, dude.
All right, so
Get your keys out of my
listen,
face.
man, we're gonna figure it out. All right.
Yep. Oh, you are. You're going to figure it out in the next life. You're one of the King of Angels. You're the Son of Man.
Okay.
You all die.
All right, let's. Can we get him in the back?
Hey,
All right, are you
listen,
gonna go in the
we're
back
gonna
of the
get him
car?
up,
Yeah, if you carry me.
Okay. Well, we don't need to carry. You can be an adult and walk.
Maybe I'll walk. Stop dropping your keys, pussy.
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, you're bleeding? Am I?
We lift him, I can grab
I
him.
died for you.
What do we want to do?
I got him.
What do we want to do?
Let's search him before we put him in the bag.
Yeah,
Put
I'm
him
going
on
to
the
roll him
side.
over.
Yeah.
Search him.
You have any weapons on you?
Yeah.
You'll lob, right?
No, get your hands on my nutsack, boy.
He's just checking you for weapons, man.
I know.
That's all he's doing. All right.
Listen, you're the last one, dude. If I weren't in cuffs, dude, you wouldn't even stop.
Okay. Okay.
Women cops, dude. King Angels, bitch.
All right, man.
Unit 10-9.
Watch me. I have a box cutter somewhere.
10-4.
It's like
7-12-20. You need to touch
Baru. It's Baru.
It's Barra. It's the Son of Man.
10-3 on 10-11.
Okay.
Clear 10-3 on
Okay,
10-11.
good. Want to zip my fly up too? While you're pecker? Yeah, you like that, don't you, boy?
I'm not feeling box cutter. Where's the box cutter at?
Right in my backpack, and I'm selling on my dick.
1-4.
You all right?
Call 3. 10
Yeah, how big a one?
49 zone 5.
Do you need me to get you something out of the back of my car?
My dick. Mouth.
We have Sweet Sport 7-11 south on Brio. Go through the service. It's advising the right class break. Front to front right class break.
Okay, you gotta be sitting straight up. Unless somebody rides with it. Can't lay him on his side. We gotta sit him straight up. Alright. Here, hold on. Alright. We can lay down. Watch his mouth. Please kick his head. Hey, hold on 1 second. Hey, get a spit hood. Get a spit hood.
I have one.
I want to spin it on him so
Be a little disrespectful.
Pepper, are you on call or are you on main lemon?
What, for kicking over a plastic sign?
that way he's not trying to fight when we get him in.
For plastic sign that said no parking?
We got the spit. It's on my car door.
I'll get up.
Santos is grabbing one.
Let me up, I'll get in.
We're past
I
that.
promise.
Oh yeah? What's that?
Will you rip my pants off me? Four Loco last night. I'm trying to cast out demons with other people. I'm trying to do.
You've been good.
Hey, you poor fucking dude.
Roll him that way.
Stop pulling up. Alright. Kenny King's boys, see in the head.
Alright, let's grab him a little bit.
Just let me stand up and I'll car, dude.
No, it's over.
713.
No. Yeah, just like he's gonna kick the window out. He's gonna kick the window out.
No, he's not real.
Okay, you got him?
Yep.
As long as he can't kick the window. Yeah. Alright, should be good. I'm gonna just take him to jail soon. You got room in your front seat? Somebody's got to ride with him.
Huh?
What's that? Catch you? No. Alright, now he's gonna do his head. He's gonna break it with his head. So let's do something else. Well, the window we're gonna scrub him.
I wouldn't do this side because of the.
I'm just wondering if we need to go to the hospital instead of jail.
Why? Did you use any force?
No, he got down and gave up right away. As soon as he turned the alley, I slowed down and he had the backpack ready to go and he swung it at me and threw it and it missed. That's when I was like, okay, assault on Leo. And then this guy pulled up as soon as this guy pulled up. Thank you, appreciate it. As soon as he pulled up, the guy gave up.
Random guy?
Yeah. He's like, dude, I was ready to help you out.
We asked you 20 times.
I got stuff.
Don't say that. We asked you 20 times. And I charged you 13 million on everything. What's going to happen at the end?
I just got to go back to my car.
144,000 new kings coming at you.
What's that?
Angels of God, okay?
All right, we good?
Bible, do you? Son of man.
You're right.
Let me see if I can.
Tight.
I have a migraine.
Okay, let's get him there quick. Somebody hop in with Shapiro.
Shapiro, this is his property if you want to take it.
Yep.
Shapiro has property from him.
Okay.
That's been looked at already.
Just gotta keep an eye on him.
Muting for discussion.
Existing assault.
Yeah, assault on Leo. And then I got to go look and see if he actually broke that sign or if he just damaged it.
Well, let's let Larry, get with Larry, show him where it's at. Okay. Right. All right, so this side?
Yeah, so from my point of view, he blew this sign out and broke it, and then he wheeled it back and kicked this and bent it, and it started wiggling. And I was like, dude, you can't do that, you need to stop. And I guess the Cisco guy around the corner said, oh, I was just talking to, there's another restaurant down the street. He's like, he just called on a guy in shorts who was kicking windows for businesses and punching signs. And I was like, oh. So I wonder if we have a call for service that's on Main Street. He said the owners of one of the restaurants said he had called a little bit ago for it.
Oh, okay.
So
we'll head over there then. I'm Zone 5 will handle all that, but...
And then he's looking at the owner, because I thought this was city-owned, but I guess it's,
Oh, it's not city-owned.
I thought it was.
You are parking a privately owned and managed parking lot that
It's
is
not affiliated,
Oh.
so he's looking up the victim.
Got it. Okay. All right.
I mean, this is certainly reasonable for a stop in blowing this out because I think they might be able to get that inserted. I guess another restaurant owner called about him, but I didn't know that.
54 that I'm aware of.
But this is, you know, this is not city though, right?
Well, I know that now.
Yeah. Oh, because I remember I had an incident here at this lot. Well, people were questioning about.
Do you know who, you have any contact information for them?
Nah.
They have a phone number here.
Did you Google this, FLP parking?
No, there's a phone number on the sign though. But I mean, from what I see, I mean, obviously I didn't know these were inserts. I saw them blow the back of the sign out, but it looks like they're inserts. So, I mean, it looks like they might be able to just get slid back in.
Oh, without a doubt.
I don't know how that works, but
Can this come up?
How do you do on the
So all
way
you
there?
do is come up in, like they would go up in there.
there we go.
Okay.
Well, I mean, certainly disorderly though. So
But I'm trying to think, what holds them? Was something else holding them?
no, that's all he did was I have a phone number.
Dude, it's funny. I've never met that guy. I've heard about him.
Yeah, well, I arrested him last year too, but I forgot about him.
Okay.
But dude,
That's
not broken. It's disorderly.
Okay, so here it is. He was damaging property at 1458 First Street. So he was committing criminal mischief. Mike Petron tried to detain him. He refused, so he was resisting without violence at that point, and then he left, took off running, and that's the charge that we had is just criminal mischief and resisting up until the point he did the Bat Leo.
It's all on dash cam.
Well, okay, I'm sorry about that. He threw the backpack at him, and he missed him. No, it didn't hit him. He missed him. Yeah. So that's what we have. We have criminal mischief, resisting, assault on Leo, Bat Leo.
I did pull my taser.
But you didn't.
I didn't act.
It didn't deploy. Okay.
Deploy it.
Yeah, it didn't tase him, but he did deploy it. I mean, he did show it, so that doesn't matter for you. So that's why he stopped, because you had your taser out.
Maybe.
Okay. All right. So that's what we have. That's pretty much it. That's all we got. At this point, we're still trying to find out information on the victim or the owner, because it's not city-owned property here. It's actually a private parking lot, but there is some damage to it. So.
I mean, Andy was being disorderly. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I don't think that the jail accepts that. The jail will require full PCAs with cover sheets for each. Oh, I mean, I've done that before, but last time somebody did that, they made them print out entire new PCAs with... Okay, good. Then maybe you did. Yeah, Polara's working on it right now, and then he's going to get it to you.
All right, well, I'll go see if they're there.
All right.